How does linguistic ecology impact language revitalization efforts? Imagine a language as a living organism, thriving or fading based on its environment. That's what linguistic ecology studies, how languages live within their social, cultural, and physical worlds. When we think about bringing a language back from the brink, understanding this ecological web is key. Languages don't exist in isolation. They are part of a larger system that includes community relationships, cultural practices, political policies, and even local landscapes. If any of these elements are out of balance, the language struggles to survive. For example, the social environment plays a big role. If elders and youth are connected through community events and social networks, they're more likely to pass the language along. When community members see value in their language, they're more motivated to use it daily. Cultural practices like storytelling, ceremonies, and traditional crafts also help keep a language alive. When language is tied to cultural identity and land, it becomes more meaningful to people. For instance, local environmental knowledge embedded in the language can motivate communities to preserve both their language and their environment. Politics can either support or hinder these efforts. Governments that recognize and protect minority languages through laws and education programs make it easier for communities to keep their language alive. Without this support, revitalization projects often face funding shortages and lack of institutional backing. The economic environment also matters. If speaking the minority language is seen as a way to access jobs or cultural tourism, more people will want to learn and use it. Creating opportunities where the language adds economic value encourages its use in everyday life. The visibility of a language in public spaces is another important factor. When signs, place names, and media are in the language, it normalizes its presence. This boosts community pride and makes the language part of daily routines. From an anthropological point of view, revitalization isn't just about teaching vocabulary. It's about restoring the language's role within the community ecosystem. When all these ecological factors work together, the chances of a language thriving increase significantly. Community-led programs that connect language with cultural activities, supportive policies, economic incentives, and increased visibility all work hand in hand. By viewing language as part of a living environment, we can create conditions where languages not only survive but flourish. This approach shows that language revitalization is about nurturing the entire ecosystem that keeps a language alive and vibrant.